raise the birdhouse. We've got Dean and Mike and Corey helping. My mixing rod here. Okay, very important. Get the level out. Go that Hold it right there. Okay, now it has to stand like this for 24 hours. So these two are going to just hold it here. We're going to eat supper. Now I've also collected a whole bunch of rocks here, if you want to zoom in, sure. And I've dug up around here, and I'm going to position all these rocks around it. It's going to look like the rocks are holding it up. I'll get that on the next video. So double check here. Good. Actually, probably wouldn't hurt to get a little more water. Okay, so there we go. See ya. Okay, so now what I've been doing is placing some of these stones that I collected today with Snickers. I'm going to put them around like this. To keep it somewhat small because the gate opens up right to here. Okay, and all these extra rocks here, I'm going to fill in, and it'll look kind of like all the rocks are holding this post up. See you later. And here is the finished bird castle. Waiting for royalty to move in.